Every human has a superpower. Not flying, not reading minds, and definitely not super strength. Choice. The ability to decide, and whether we realize it or not, our lives are shaped by it. Every opportunity begins with a choice. Every lesson, every relationship, every success, and every new beginning, a choice. But choice alone isn't enough. The quality of our decisions depends on the options in front of us. The more visibility we have, the more control we have, and the better our outcomes become. Because in every part of our life, having options helps us make better decisions.
Yet, when it comes to crypto, finding the best way to cash out often means jumping from platform to platform. Introducing RampHub, a smarter way to on-ramp and off-ramp your crypto built on Solana, bringing multiple routes together in one place so you can compare, choose, and move your money the way that works best for you. Think of it like a Google Flights, but for crypto transactions. Instead of manually checking multiple providers one by one, RampHub compares rates, availability, and reliability across providers in real time and automatically helps you find the best options. So whether you are converting fiat to crypto or crypto back to fiat, you get better execution. Simply enter the amount you want to convert, and RampHub instantly checks multiple on-ramp and off-ramp providers in real time. You see the best options ranked by rates and by availability, which means only providers who can actually execute your trades right now show up. So, to buy or sell, you simply enter your amount, check out the best available routes, or compare and choose your preferred one, and then complete your trade. And with just one KYC on RampHub, you gain access to multiple providers without repeating verification processes across different platforms. What assets can you actually trade on RampHub? It supports SOL, USDT, and USDC on Solana and other chains. And because it's built on Solana, you benefit from fast transaction speeds, low fees, and reliable infrastructure. For businesses and high-volume traders, the advantages are even bigger. Large transactions often struggle with liquidity limitations on a single provider. So, RampHub solves this by giving businesses access to multiple providers and deeper liquidity pools, making larger trades easier and more efficient. That's not all. If you are building any product and you need to integrate crypto ramps, RampHub provides APIs that businesses can plug directly into their products, making onboarding and payments much easier for your users. And if anything ever goes wrong, a delayed transaction, a failed settlement, any issue across any provider, RampHub offers centralized customer support to help resolve transaction issues across the entire network, which means multiple routes, but one dedicated, super helpful customer support system. So instead of spending time comparing rates, checking availability, and managing multiple providers yourself, RampHub does the heavy lifting for you. Now, before I go, RampHub also has a referral program. Simply share your unique referral code with friends, colleagues, or your audience, and earn rewards every time someone signs up and trades through your link. If you would like to use my referral code, you will find it in the description below. Use it and let's earn together. Remember, every step forward begins with a decision, and every good decision begins with having options. So when it's time to turn crypto into cash or cash into crypto, don't settle for the first option. See them all, choose what's best, and to move forward with confidence. This is RampHub, built for better choices.